back to our channel. We're back with another organizing video today. Today we're going to be showing you our laundry room. I've organized it using Dollar Tree items, so let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so this is our laundry room. It's not very big, but it works. So we have a counter here, we have our washer and dryer here. So these were actually in my pantry. If you guys saw our pantry organization video, these were in there, but I ended up moving them up here. And I have these here. I have the dryer sheets in here, some game pods, and some of those scents in this one. I do have some spray paint that I'm going to be getting out of the garage, and I'm going to be spray painting these lids all the same color. But I want to go ahead and show you guys the video, so in case you guys are wanting to organize your laundry room, you guys can have some ideas. So up here, I have used some Dollar Tree items. So this is from the Dollar Tree. I do have a label maker. I just got to get some batteries for it. So right here I keep all our, our bleach, our baking soda, and stuff like that. These are more like stain removers and stuff like that. So I have those there. So if I need them, I just pull them down. And then over here, I have another Dollar Tree bin. We have extra stuff in here, so we have like extra hand soap and stuff. Our bathrooms are upstairs, so I have this one here, and these are just extras that will go to our bathrooms upstairs. And then I have our light bulbs here, and then we have those lost socks that always come out of the dryer. So I actually have this basket that I made out of rope and just a shoebox. So anyways, I put all the socks in there, and then every time I take clothes out and it has socks in there, I go ahead and look in here. If I don't find them within a month, I just throw them away. I'm not going to keep them. So that's where I keep those, kind of keep them out of sight, because I like to have clear counters so I can fold the clothes. So then over here, we have some more Dollar Tree bins. So up there we have all of our extra washer and dryer stuff. So when something goes out, we have those. They came with the washer and dryer, so I just have that up there. And in here I have everything that I use to clean our bathroom when I do the deep cleaning. So if you guys want to see our deep cleaning schedule, I can go ahead and show you that. But this, I just take this bin down and go with it. It's very sturdy. I don't need a caddy because I don't use a lot of product, so this one works just fine. And then right here, this is also from the Dollar Tree, and it's just where I have what I'm gonna do and go every day and spray down the counter. So I just have a Clorox spray, some spray for the mirrors, and a magic eraser, and that's just stuff that I use daily. So it's in the smaller bin, and I just keep it in this one, and it's really easy to grab and carry because it has two handles. Right here, initially when we bought the house, these were supposed to be for baskets, put some nice laundry baskets in there and stuff. That would have been very Pinterest, a great picture for Pinterest, but unfortunately it doesn't work for us. And sometimes organization is more about function over fashion. So what I did was, these are open because if you guys have seen our kids closet tours, I do keep laundry baskets in there so that I just grab them and come. So for here, what I did was, we just have some clothes that needs to be kept separate. So like this is my son's soccer uniform that needs to be returned. Probably not going to be for a while, so I put that in there. And then I have, this is my husband's, some of his work stuff that he needs, so that's in there. And then it doesn't have any doors. And I like to be where you can't really see stuff. That's just the kind of organization that I like. So what I did was I made this little curtain. I got the idea off of Pinterest. I kind of like it. I like it so you can just close it, but I like it open because you don't really see the two bins I have back there. So it works. So in case you guys have some, open shelving that you guys want to cover, these would be great. I use a little tension rod. There's no screws or anything. It just kind of tightens on there. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, this I like because it's pretty good organizing, and it's decor at the same time. My husband sometimes helps me with the laundry, so he can easily just pull them out. And so they're see-through, so I don't have to put labels on it. We'll make it look kind of I think it'll make them kind of look ugly. So since these are see-through, I don't have to label them or anything. I have a little plant there. This is also from the Dollar Tree. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, leave some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video.